In today's video, I'll teach you how to check login history on Facebook. So first of all, launch open Facebook application. You can see over here, Facebook has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to check the login history, tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, settings and privacy. Now tap on the option settings that you can see at top. Now you'll be able to access the settings. What you have to do is tap on this option, account center, that you can see at top. Now you'll be able to access the account center. You can see various options over here. What you have to do is tap on this option, password and security, that you can see at first. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Under the section for security checks, at first you'll be able to find this option for where you're logged in. What you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, what you have to do is simply select your account. Now you can see all the login activities over here. So like this, you'll be able to see the login history. So that is how you check login history on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.